In Roman Catholic Mission Primary School, Lakepia, infrastructural decay was second nature. This is due to neglect. However, that was before Honorable Ogidomu Kandas, Chairman, Lekki Local Council Development Area, took up the challenge of rescuing the school from rot. His administration recently erected this new block of classrooms, head teacher's office, and deep well. Testimonies Akinyemi Oluwaseun reports that the new school building has encouraged parents to enroll more wards. The Council Authority of Lekki Local Council Development Area has taken up the challenge of correcting the infrastructural rot in public primary schools across the council area. Evidence of this is the construction of this block of 6 classrooms here in Roman Catholic Mission School, Lakepia. Hakim Olufowobi is a resident of this community. He says the new school building has created a conducive environment for learning, and it has also encouraged parents to enroll more wards.
School àtijọ́ ni ibi báyìí, ilé school Lakepia yìí, school àtijọ́, school àwọn bàbá wa ni. Àwọn bàbá wa, àwọn grandfather tí kì í ṣe ìran mẹ́fà, tí kì í ṣe ìran mẹ́wàá wọ́n ti lógbó káwa tó délé ayé. School ti wà bí àwọn pàdé lónìí, Roman Catholic Mission School Lakepia ló ní ibi báyìí. So Jákàndé gan ìgbà tí Jákàndé náà tó débẹ̀, Jákàndé náà kọ́ tiẹ̀ tí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ school ń lọ. Bọ̀dá di pé gbogbo school àtijọ́ gbogbo débẹ̀ sí ní wó, kọ́lọ́n tó gbé ṣe manuwa dìde Mukadas Ogidan Ọlọ́run bá ràn lọ́wọ́, Ọlọ́run bá gbé ìrànwọ́ ẹ̀ sókè. Gbogbo ibi tí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ bá wà Ọlọ́run kan láàánú. Lẹ́gbàá tí wọ́n kọ́ school náà ń sìn, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó wà ń bàdàn àti sọ fún wa pé kán wá wo nǹkan tí àwọn gọ́fúnà wa tí wọ́n ṣe fún wa pẹ̀lú chairman wa ò ká máa wo ìrànlọ́wọ́ ńlá tí wọ́n ṣe fún wa. Gbogbo àlejò tí wọ́n wá sí náà wọ́n ti ń kó àwọn ọmọ wọn, wọ́n ti kó àwọn ọmọ wa sí, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó ń lọ sí jọ́lọ́sí mi lọ sí private gan gbogbo wọn ti padà síbí. Primary school àti lè wọlé láàárọ̀ ń sìn, tán bá ti lè start generator fáànù gbogbo ẹ máa bẹ̀ sí ní rotate láwọn ọmọ lórí tí gbogbo ara àwọn ọmọ máa tutù pẹ̀sẹ̀, ọmọ ẹ̀mí gan torí ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ orí ẹ̀ máa tutù tó máa bẹ̀ sí ní kọ correct lọ. Wọ́n dẹ̀ kọ́ àwọn tíṣà tó dára fún wa, gbogbo àwọn tíṣà tó ń kó wa, gbogbo wọn náà ń tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ wa, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ wa tó wà lẹ́pẹ́ tó wà ń bàdàn tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àti sọ̀rọ̀ náà ti wá wú bí wọ́n ti rí bí gbéyà ṣe rí pé school tó wà pa ni fáànù ń ṣiṣẹ́, gbogbo ẹ̀ wà òmìnir bọ́wọ́ ni ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe fún wa. Ogidan Mukadas Ogidan gbìyànjú o, Ọlọ́run bá wa ràn lọ́wọ́, ilé àtọ̀nà ẹ̀ á dára o.
Honorable Ogidan says the school project is one example of his programs aimed at achieving education without tears.
You see, what is good for the geese is they say is good for the gander. The people in this community, in Lakepia communities, are members of, are citizens of this country. They deserve the best treatment. Whatever that is good for people in Lagos and in Abuja is best for them there. This area is a rural community, but it's the future of Lagos State today. In essence, what I'm saying is that this area is a fast-growing urban area. As a result, they deserve the UNESCO standard of primary structure level of education. They deserve the best form of education you can think of all over the world. So, the people in my locality are urban dwellers. They set pace today for other people to follow.
Similarly, Roman Catholic Mission School Lekki also got a block of 6 classrooms, head teacher's office and deep well. According to the chairman, his administration is making efforts to raise the academic standard of public schools in the council area to match what obtains in the urban areas.
The structure we have in Lekki LCD, the dilapidation has got to a level in which most of the schools, most of the roofs of the schools were blown off. Some of them with cracks in all the walls and an untidy environment. And this is a situation, this is a school system that is expected to compare favorably with their counterparts in urban centers like Lagos, Ibadan and all, what have you. If the school, the children that will be taught in these schools have to be examined on the same academic pedestal with their counterparts in urban centers like Lagos, I think they deserve the same academic environment for learning. Well, with the situation we met on ground, it was so appalling that this administration has to take the bull by the horn by constructing the modern day classroom system. It is not only in Lekki LCD, in the Catholic Mission Central School, Lekki, that we have the same level of dilapidation. We have it at Lakepia. We have so many in the riverine areas. It got to a level that we experienced a collapse of classroom buildings that really enveloped over 170 pupils in Lakepia. We told this on ground. This administration considered it imperative that something very concrete must be done to address the appalling situation of the classroom in which our pupils' future tomorrow are learning.
The reconstruction of old buildings to serve as extension for Primary Health Center Lekki is another priority of Ogidon administration. Mrs. Adeshola Alao is the Chief Nursing Officer. She discloses that the new extension will boost patronage of the health facility.
So sometimes ago, our chairman provided us with beds and beddings, and as well, he has renovated the old maternity and has upgraded it, now fenced it round. So this will encourage us to discharge us our duty more, and as well encourage the patients to come and be patronizing us.
The council boss avers that the reconstructed building will serve as the intensive care center for children.
Good. Those two in the health sector. We discovered that the building the 4 bit over there, they were colonial buildings that have been abandoned for years, colonial days. And that was the place where I was born. They gave back to me in one of those buildings, in the maternity. And I was in the primary school when I saw people still using those areas. But I want to tell you, in the last 20, 30 years, nobody used that building for any purpose. It was left with a high level of dilapidation. We had to refurbish the place. And of course, we sat at the executive level and decided that they evaluated the utility of the infrastructure and discovered that it could be used as doctors' quarters and a consulting room, partly as doctors' quarters and partly as consulting rooms for doctors. Of course, the special advisor to the governor on primary health care has visited this place and says he said they are going to use it as an extension of the primary health care here. There's going to be a road, there's going to be a walkway from the main primary health center to those buildings, and they are going to use them as intensive care centers for children.